Good afternoon from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Monday, September the 9th, 2013. Quite a bit of weather to talk about for the next few days across northern Michigan, starting out with the hazardous weather highlights expected. First off, thunderstorms are expected across eastern upper Michigan tonight, and then possible again across northern lower Michigan during the day on Tuesday. With these storms, heavy rainfall is possible across eastern upper Michigan tonight, and also with a low-end severe threat as well. Isolated severe storms are possible on Tuesday again across northern lower Michigan. Heat issues across mainly northeast lower Michigan on Tuesday as temperatures climb and heat indices climb to around 95 degrees. And then turning it right around, we have frost freeze conditions possible across northern Michigan for late Friday night into early Saturday morning. But starting out with the current weather map, quite the active map here this afternoon. We have an area of low pressure developing in the northern plains with a warm front draped into the Mississippi River Valley and into southern lower Michigan and on into Ohio and the Atlantic coast. North of this front, we have a large area of showers and thunderstorms that continue to develop across the far northern plains into parts of the northern Great Lakes region. This will continue to be the case as we go into the nighttime period. This area of low pressure will track eastward across northern Michigan here tonight. We do expect continued development of showers and thunderstorms to impact mainly upper Michigan as we go through the nighttime period. And again, it's a pretty good setup for some heavy rainfall to occur across upper Michigan, including parts of eastern upper Michigan, with rainfall amounts of up to and potentially even in excess of 1 inch of rain occurring across that area tonight. This area of low pressure, again, will track through the northern Great Lakes here tonight, move east of the region on Tuesday. As we get into Tuesday afternoon, a weak cold front will begin to drop down through the area during the day on Tuesday and heading into Tuesday evening. And again, there will be a low-end severe threat along that front as it moves on through the area. But we do expect yet another corridor of rainfall to develop along and behind that front heading into Tuesday night, and that will bring additional rainfall across parts of northern lower Michigan Tuesday night. As we get into Wednesday and going into Wednesday evening, yet another cold front is expected to drop down into the Great Lakes region during this time frame, bringing yet one more chance for showers to the area. But as we head into Thursday, a large area of high pressure will begin to build into the upper Midwest, the northern plains, and into the Great Lakes region during the day on Thursday. This will start to bring much cooler air back into the Great Lakes region. As a matter of fact, Thursday will be much cooler compared to the beginning part of the week. And we may even see some lake effect rain showers impact parts of the Great Lakes region later Thursday into Thursday night. But as we get into the day on Friday, that area of high pressure will begin to drift right overhead by Friday and also through the day on Saturday. This will clear things out by Friday and going into Friday night, but it will set the stage for some rather cool conditions Friday night by Saturday morning, with frost becoming a better and better bet. Possibly even some freeze conditions, as some temperatures may go down below freezing by Saturday morning. So again, quite the active weather across the region, but for tonight, thunderstorms are expected across eastern upper Michigan, again with that heavy rainfall threat across that area. Overnight low temperatures tonight will span the lower 60s across the UP to the lower 70s across northern lower Michigan. Again, showers and storms north. Not much in the way of rainfall expected really down across northern lower Michigan, say south of M68 or so. And then hazards outlook one more time. Thunderstorms tonight through Wednesday across eastern upper Michigan tonight, parts of northern lower Michigan on Tuesday, and again possibly on Wednesday as well as that next front drops on through as well. Heavy rainfall is the main threat across eastern upper Michigan, with the possibility for some isolated severe storms across eastern upper Michigan tonight. Isolated severe possibilities for Tuesday. And then on Tuesday, heat indices climbing near 95 degrees over portions of northeast lower Michigan. And then once those fronts move on through and we cool things back off, frost and possibly even freeze conditions for late Friday night going into early Saturday morning. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.